Hello lovely people! To celebrate the 129th anniversary of SJTU, we have a very special challenge here today. We have 4 runners and they have one mission, which is to run across the campus for 12.9 kilometers and to map out the letter of S, J, T and U. Let's check them out. So here we have the first runner. Can you tell us your name and where are you from and which letter are you running?
Hello, my name is Fifth and I'm from Thailand. And the letter that I'll be running is the letter S.
Nice, okay.
Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm from Russia and I'm running the letter J.
Very nice.
Hi, I'm Mariam from Spain and I'm running letter T.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sichen Li. I'm from China and I'm gonna run the letter U.
Okay, beautiful. So are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! Okay, it's coming to the end now and our runners is almost here. Come on guys! Okay, well done. So how are you guys feeling?
Great.
Great, nice. Well done to our runners. And I guess it's not about the run, but to show the endless energy of the spirit of SJTU. And once again, happy 129th anniversary of SJTU. See you guys in the next one.